Greetings, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Nenomaila as you already know. It's early morning. It's Wednesday in South Africa, I think. Wednesday in South Africa. I'm walking my dog. I'm walking my child to crash. I hope you're all good. Yeah.
Make me hustle every day. We chasing people. At about that you want. Make me hustle every day.
Greetings, YouTube, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Nenomaila as you already know. Okay. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to scalp US30 safely. Okay, but then before we go any further, can you please like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell. Okay, let's get into this video. So you know the rules. Always start on a daily time frame. So this is my daily time frame. This is US30, by the way. Daily time frame. So we can see, okay, US30 has been trending down, then it broke out. Okay, this is that's my support, and that's my resistance. So we can see that it has been trending down now. It's been using this, it has been respecting that trend, this diagonal trend, until it broke it. It was respecting that diagonal trend line until it broke it. And we also have this yeah, I think it's a flag. So it was moving with the flag. So we have a bullish flag over here. So overall, we can see the market has broken out of a downtrend. So we're now looking for what? Buying opportunities. Overall, the market did what? A breakout and retest. So it's still in a retesting season. Okay, but then I think it's done retesting because it came twice. It doesn't retest more than twice. So we're now looking for what? Buying opportunities, meaning we're removing all the selling opportunities. But then before we go down to a small time frame, we looking for what? We must spot our strong zones. So we can see we have our resistance here, our support here, and our resistance over here. Let me just use a rectangular shape for them to be as clear as possible. We have our strong resistance over here and our strong support over here. We're scalping the safe way. We're scalping the safe way, sorry. We're scalping the safe way. So we have a resistance and a support. We have a resistance and a support. So we can see that after a breakout, we can see that it created a support. It gave us a support that it respected. It's been respecting it. A resistance that it has been respecting, and it never broke this. It's been trading above this level for the past few days. So this is also a minor resistance and a minor support. So we also have another zone here, another strong zone over here. We have another zone over here. We also have another zone. We have another zone over here. So we can see that there's another diagonal trend line the market has been respecting. The market has been respecting this diagonal trend line. It has been respecting this diagonal. Let me just write this down. Diagonal resistant trend line. So let me just copy this, actually cancel. Then we go inside our trend line. Let me just paste this. Okay, yeah, then let me just remove this. So you have that. Okay, hope it's clear. Okay, we have this. So we're going down to our 4 hours, because we're still on a daily. Everything is in place. You can see, okay, the market has been respecting this. Let us fix it. Remember, everything has to be accurate. So we can see, okay, everything is perfectly in. Okay, everything is perfectly drawn. Everything, it's all the touches are nicely fixed. Okay, we can see, okay, oh nice. You can see, okay, we have a nice good touches on our support and on our resistance. So we also have what, another support over here. The market has been respecting this support. So we have this support. So we can see overall that there's nothing else we can do on a 4 hour, because we just saw that we only fixed and we also spotted another support on our 4 hours. So we go down to our 1 hour. So we can see that now we can see it's proper. We see the market has been trending between these two lines, these two rectangular shapes. It's been coming from here down to this here, to this rectangular over here. Then it's been taking out bullish engulfing candlesticks and going up to our next zone. So we can see, okay, the market has been trending between these two lines. Okay, then what do we do? If I were to trade this, I would have seen this. Okay, this is my first touch and my second touch. So this is also what we call a diagonal trend line, and we have another one here. So remember, market tends to move in 3 touches. So we have our first touch, our third touch, our first touch, our second touch, and we are anticipating our third touch if ever the market was to come back to buy here, then go up. Then here we have our first touch, our second touch, and we anticipating a third touch for the market to do what, to sell from here to here. So we see that no man, the market broke, and it never broke this level, this diagonal trend line. So what do? We go to our 15 minutes. We do this, we highlight our highest, the body, only the body, or you might as well take the week, but then it will be a late entry. We wanna see what happens. We want to see the market breaking this on a 15 minute. That's our entry. We take entries on 15 minutes. Overall, we can see this is a buy, because overall, when you connect your lines, you can see connecting this line and connecting this line, you can see we have what? A falling wedge. Let me write this down. A falling wedge. Falling wedge. Wedge. A falling wedge. We have what? A falling wedge. This is our falling wedge. Then we're looking to trade from where? From this zone area to our Knox zone area over here. So we go to our 15 minute to minimize our stop losses and to find best entries. Overall, we have a falling wedge. And remember, we're only looking for what? For buying opportunities. So this is a nice buying opportunity. So we're going to our 15 minute chart. We never go lower than 15 minute chart. So we wait for our candlestick to break this level, a clear break. So we can see overall this is the zone that I created from a 1 hour. So on a 15 minute, we can see there was some rejection. So for this strategy to work, we need to see some rejections, some reaction. Actually, the market has to act as if it's respecting this area, then come back and break it, or something has to happen here. So we can see the market respected this area, did a reaction here, then it broke out and retested. So overall, we gonna use the candlestick that it broke out with. We're gonna take an entry somewhere here, then put our stop loss somewhere here. Okay, yeah, it's a nice setup. Okay, then we're taking our TP at our next zone that we created. So we can see overall we go to our TP, and the risk ratio is also nice because it's 1:2. It's almost 1:2. 1:250. 2.5. So 1:2.5, or we can say 1:3. 1:3. You're risking $1 to make $3. You're risking $1 to make what? $3. So this is a nice risk ratio. So hopefully you grasp something from this strategy and you learn something from this video and become profitable. May the good Lord be with you, and may you prosper in the market. May you become profitable, but not only financially, my brothers and sisters, also spiritually. These are the last days, so let us spread the word of God. Okay, until we meet again, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also comment, and also come back to further your studies and get more tips about the forex market and scalping strategies and analysis and market breakdowns, you name them. Like, always study and always backtest your strategy. Nenomaila M Traders, we logging out. Peace and we out.